Historically speaking, we're really bad at predicting the future. The problem is that people tend to look at the future in linear terms, and that means they often miss the effects of exponential growth. The explosion of solar energy is a perfect example. In 2002, the International Energy Agency made growth projections for new solar panel installations worldwide. Actual installations ended up beating projections by huge margins. Part of what's happening is that the falling price of solar is driving higher demand, which drives prices down even further, driving even higher demand, creating the cyclical exponential effect. Now, critics will correctly point out that solar panels currently meet only about 2% of the world's energy needs. Critics see this low number as proof that solar power is growing too slowly to replace large-scale solutions like oil, gas, and coal anytime soon. In reality, it just proves that they don't understand how exponential growth works. Not only did solar become cheaper than fossil fuels in 2016, the total number of solar installations are doubling roughly every 2.5 years. The best insight into this phenomenon comes from Ray Kurzweil. Kurzweil is a legendary futurist with a long track record of successfully predicting the growth of technology. He says that since solar is doubling every couple of years, at 2%, it's only about 6 doublings away from reaching 100%. That means that solar could potentially power 100% of Earth's energy needs in as little as 12 years. It sounds unbelievable until you remember that cars, the internet, and mobile technology went through similar exponential tipping points. Unfortunately, even though the solar industry employs more people than oil, gas, and coal combined, the fractured political climate in the US makes it unlikely that America will be at the forefront of this world-changing solar transformation. So what can you do? Well, the beautiful thing about emerging technologies is that there's really no stopping them once they hit exponential growth. So the US can either get on the train of the future or miss it entirely. Oil, gas, and coal companies are going to do everything in their power to slow down the growth of solar, including misinforming the public and waging legislative sabotage at state levels, some of which has already started. But if we continue to be consumers of solar energy and lobbying for legislation that promotes solar innovation, we could make America the leader in solar power again. Either way, solar is here for good. Peace.